An application currently running in the Kubernetes cluster employs the Nginx web server. The National Application Development Team has introduced some recent changes that need deployment. So they have crafted an image Nginx 1.17 updates. Later clicks execute a rolling update for the application integrating the Nginx 1.17 image. The deployment is named Nginx deployment. Ensure all pods are operational post-update. So we need to check the control version. The current version of 1.34 is available. And now we need to get the deployment of our git control. Go to check our deployment. Git deployment list. I can see Nginx deployment is already done up to date and available 2 minutes of 37 seconds. Now we need to describe the deployment. Describe deployment of name. The deployment name is Nginx deployment. Copy the deployment name and paste it. Now you can see this is the description of scaling the click offset and also 1 minute 24 seconds of page and also Nginx deployment. Now rolling update. Which app selector also Nginx app. Labels of Nginx app. Everything will be described. And you can see the image is Nginx 1.17 of container of Nginx container. You can see the image version of 1.16. But the image is with latest updates of 1.17. Okay. Now we need to set the image. Okay, set image deployment. Deployment name is Nginx deployment. Sorry. It also need, so leave it at this. Copy the deployment name. Nginx deployment. Copy the deployment name and paste under the deployment. And the Nginx container of Nginx 1.70. Need to change the version 1.70. Nginx container is Nginx 1.70. So we need to change the version. Now you can see we need to set image and the deployment name and the Nginx container. And this is our container name. Nginx container is our container name. So and also we need to change our Nginx version of 1.16 to the latest updates of Nginx 17. So make sure changes 1.17. See the task what will be changed. You can change that version and now get deploy. You can see the deployment name and after run the description. Describe deploy. Now go to the description. Deployment controller scale down replica set. Scaling. And also now you can see the Nginx image is changed. Now change the as per the latest update. The task is finished. Check our task. Thank you for watching.